Hello friends, welcome to the official series of BFM. As you know, in official series we are covering all the subjects. ABM, BFM, ABFM, BRBL, all the compulsory ones. So watch the series completely. All the subjects, watch them. Watch all the mentors. We are covering numericals, objective questions, case studies, various. So watch it completely because you're getting it free. Why not to take advantage of YouTube? Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, isn't it? Like the video, subscribe, share it with your friends also. Today's topic is role of EXIM Bank. This Reserve Bank, RBI, exchange controls, very important topic, theory topic, completely theory. So we'll be covering various questions based on that. So watch it till the end. Okay, let's start. What is the purpose of EXIM Bank's Export Vendor Development Lending Program? What is the purpose of EXIM Bank's Export Vendor Development Lending Program? EVDLP. What is the purpose? To provide the funding to research and development activities related to exports. Is it so? Is it so? To provide funding. Does EXIM Bank provide funding? To provide financial assistance to SPVs, special purpose vehicles, of a cluster of SMEs. Now what is the SPV? SPV means, basically remember, it is a private company, new company which is formed. Generally, it is formed by the banks only. Okay, it is mainly used for ARC, asset reconstruction or securitization. To offer the lines of credit to governments of other countries supporting their development plans, So, offer the lines of credit. What is lines of credit? Lines of credit is a full line given, means amount given, sanctioned to various governments. Now this line can be in various forms. It's not only in the currency. It can be in form of your barter also, means I can give you grains. I can give you some other, nowadays we have this minerals. Nowadays minerals are on heavy demand, right? So it can be minerals, it can be food programs, it can be anything, it can be education, it can be sanitation, anything. Lines of credits to governments of other countries for supporting their development programs. And last, to help manufacturers, exporters and trading export houses source goods from vendors for export on a regular basis. So to source the goods. So what is the correct answer over here? Quite difficult one. First only it is difficult. Okay. Quite difficult one. So what do you think? Should be the answer over here. Is it see, look at the name, export development, vendor development. So if you are talking of vendor development, C is out of question because this is related to your governments. So C is out of question, right? C is out. Then what? Financial assistance to SPVs of a cluster of SMEs. This can be one answer, but it's not directly related because it's a separate institution. Okay? To provide funding for research and development. Research and development is not done over here. So the correct answer is this. To help manufacturers, exporters and trading export houses source goods from vendors for export on a regular basis. Sourcing goods, see, direct impact. Nowadays, many of the institutions are thinking of quick impact. Research and development will take many years. Of course, funds have to be given there also. But that is not done through this vendor development. That is done through R&D. Okay? So the correct answer is to help the manufacturers, exporters and trading export houses source goods from vendors for export on a regular basis. Which of the following can be provided as securities to avail pre-shipment credit of EXIM Bank. Pre-shipment. Okay. Which of the following can be provided as securities? So what can be provided as securities? Can I provide cash collateral? Can I provide corporate guarantee? Can I provide shareholders and or directors guarantee? Or is it all of the above? So what can I provide? See, what is firstly pre-shipment credit? What is firstly pre-shipment credit? Yes. Pre-shipment credit, there are two types of credits. Kindly note, in Forex, there are two types of credits. If I am the manufacturer, see this, I'll show you over here. I am the manufacturer, I'll get the order. See, I get the order first, order from the buyer. Okay, buyer will give me the order. So this order will come to me. I am the seller, exporter or manufacturer. You call it anything, seller, manufacturer, exporter, anything. So I am the manufacturer. Now once I get the order, I will have to prepare the goods. I don't prepare the goods first only, unless they are quickly sellable. Otherwise, if it's a ready to order goods, then I'll make it after I get the order, right? Now for preparing these goods, for manufacturing, see, I'll have to manufacture now. So I'll have to manufacture these goods. For manufacturing these goods, I'll require money. So this money is provided by the EXIM Bank or banks also. Banks provide this money. So this money is called as pre-shipment. Pre means what? Before the sending of goods. Shipment. Pre and shipment. Before sending the goods. So this is pre-shipment. It is always given up to 75 to 80%. It is always given up to 75 to 80%. Okay? It is never given full. It is always given on FOB basis. Okay? Free on board, Incoterms. Afterwards what happens? Then I manufacture it. Then I ship it. Shipment. I send it through the ship. And then buyer will pay later. Payment. Payment will come later. Payment. So that will come later. So if payment will come later, this gap is known as post-shipment finance. Post. Again, this will be given by the banks only. Post-shipment finance. Okay. So banks will give this also and this also. Before giving post-shipment finance, you have to close the pre-shipment finance. That's a separate topic. So the point over here is, for getting this pre-shipment finance, what do we get? Which is the collateral which is kept? Cash collateral, yes, I can keep cash collateral. Why not? Corporate guarantee, yes, I can keep corporate guarantee. Director's guarantee, I can keep director's guarantee. So all of the above is the answer. All of the above is the answer. Got it? EXIM Bank gave financial assistance to foreign governments in form of, now this foreign governments, now we are talking of governments. Just now I explained you lines of credit. Right? Directly answer is available over here. Soft loans, commercial loans, lines of credit, re-lending. For governments, we always give lines of credit. Soft loans are also there, but soft loans are given to companies. Okay? And soft loans are not given directly as a lending institution. What are soft loans? See, suppose if bank sanctions me a loan, let's say of 100 rupees, 100 rupees loan, okay? Loan, 100, let's say not 100 rupees, let's say my value of the goods or the total requirement of mine is 100 rupees. So bank will sanction how much? It's like this, see. Let me show you properly over here, see. See, if I require 100 rupees, 100, okay, for anything, any business. So what will happen? Bank will sanction me, 75 rupees, 75% generally. And my margin will be 25 rupees, right? This is my money. This is bank's money. So if I don't have this money, margin money fully, then what will happen? Then the soft loan will come in picture. So EXIM Bank will come in. EXIM Bank will say, okay, EXIM. It will say, I'll give you 20 rupees. You pay only You pay only 5 rupees. So this is known as a soft loan. This part. Okay, this part is known as a soft loan. So for giving it to the government, governments don't require soft loans. They require lines of credit. Okay, they require lines of credit. Got it? Got it, everyone? They require lines of credit. Clear? Next. Which of the following institutions is a nodal agency for the Government of India to manage the Export Marketing Fund, EMF? EMF is given by World Bank. It is of 3 types, EMF 1, 2 and 3. Okay? So who gives this? World Bank gives this. And who manages over here? RBI, EXIM Bank, Ministry of Finance and Ministry of External Affairs. See, the answer may be is not always EXIM Bank. Okay? The answer can be anything. You think now. Give me the answer. I don't know. I'll give you later. First you think. Everyone. The answer is Ministry of Finance. It will not handle. It's not an institution. See, is Ministry of Finance an institution? No. Is Ministry of External Affairs an institution? No. So how can they handle it? Either it will be handled by RBI or it will be handled by EXIM. But RBI doesn't deal in all these things. It appoints various agencies. So, EXIM Bank. Okay, there are 3 types of export marketing fund. One is for manufacturing, second is for marketing, again third one is from the EXIM Bank only. 2 are from the World Bank, third one is from the EXIM Bank. In detail we will study later in the paid classes. EXIM Bank performs which of the following functions in India? So which function is done by EXIM Bank? It will provide consultancy and technology services. It will provide pre-shipment credit. It will provide suppliers credit and all of the above. So what will EXIM Bank do? What is the role of EXIM Bank? Yes, consultancy. Does it provide? Does it provide pre-shipment? Does it provide suppliers credit? Now what is suppliers credit? There are 2 types of trade credits. One is buyer's credit, second is supplier's credit. See this, buyer's credit and supplier's credit. Okay. So there are 2 types of credits, buyers and suppliers. What is supplier's credit? See, I'll give you in short, I'll explain you. Okay. I'll explain you in short. This is basically for imports. Kindly note, it's not for exports. It's for imports. Totally for imports. Buyers and suppliers credit is for imports only. It is less than 3 years. Okay. So what is buyers and what is suppliers? See, in suppliers credit, what happens? The other supplier in foreign country will give you the goods on credit, subject to the guarantee given by your bank for payment. Okay. So there is a supplier over here, USA supplier. Okay. And this is my country, Bharat. So here I am having the buyer. So this supplier will say that I'll send you the goods. But this payment I want it from the bank, not from you. Because I don't trust you. So I want the payment from the bank. Simple. I don't trust you. Give me the guarantee or give me not even the guarantee. Give me direct instructions from the bank that they will pay me. I don't want the payment from you. So this on later date, see, after all, this payment is for generally after 90 days, like this it is. So this is called as supplier's credit. When the seller in the other country says that I want a payment from other bank. I don't care about you. If you give me that payment instructions from the other bank, I will send you the goods. This is supplier's credit. What is buyer's credit then? Buyer's credit is totally different, slightly different, not totally. In buyer's credit, what happens? This supplier says, nothing doing. I don't want anything. I don't care. I don't trust your bank also. I don't trust you also. I will give you the material only if you give me cash. I want cash over here. Cash. I'll give you the material if you give me cash. That's it. Otherwise, I will not send you the material. I don't want your bank also. I don't want you also. You send me money right now. I'll see it in the bank account and then I'll send you the goods. In that case, what happens? This supplier, seller, okay, this seller will contact his bank in our country, Bharat, okay. This bank will contact another bank in his country, okay, USA. And then this bank will, our bank will say, let's say SBI. SBI will tell, and let's say this is Citibank, Citi. So SBI will tell Citi that, see, this person wants cash, give him the cash. So Citibank will give him the cash right now. And SBI will pay as per the payment terms 90 days with interest plus interest. So this is buyer's credit. In buyer's credit, what happens? The amount is received immediately by the seller. And in supplier's credit, the amount is received at a later date. So that is the main difference between buyer's credit and supplier's credit. So what does EXIM Bank provide? EXIM Bank provides all of the above. Okay? Got it? EXIM Bank provides all of the above. Clear everyone? Okay? Next. So, under the supplier's credit scheme, EXIM Bank offers what? Credit to Indian exporters for manufacturing. Credit to Indian exporters for offering deferred credit to the overseas buyers. Credit to overseas importers to import from Indian exporters. Credit to Indian importers to import from other countries. So what is provided in supplier's credit? Just now I told you, supplier's credit, just now we discussed. Credit. So what will be the answer in this? The answer will be, see, exporters, it's first only I told you, it's for importers. So this is gone. This is gone, okay? First one is gone. Second one is gone. Third one, to import from Indian exporters. Indian exporters. So that is also gone. Other countries, right? Got it? Next. FEDAI, Foreign Exchange Dealers Association of India, has advised the valuation rates based on ongoing market rates. According to these guidelines, the banks are to undertake valuations at the end of. So valuation of your securities, your Forex. So you have to undertake the valuations after every what? Is it after every 1 month, 1 week, every 3 months or every 6 months? What do you think? Yeah, is it 1 month? Or is it week, every week? Is it so? What is it? Yes, the answer is Forex valuations, your dollars valuations, or whichever instruments you are having, not only dollars, any currency instruments which you are having. Answer is 1 month. Every month you have to do it. Under Foreign Exchange Management Act, FEMA, the Department of Post, Urban Cooperative Banks, other FFMCs are permitted to purchase the foreign currency and sale for private and business visits abroad are categorized under. So what are these categorized as? AD Cat 1, AD Cat 2, AD Cat 3 and full-fledged money changers. So cooperative banks and post, what are they permitted? Are they permitted as AD Cat 1? Now what is AD Cat 1? AD Cat 1 can deal in local credits, means local retail Forex, plus AD Cat 1 can deal in retail Forex plus corporate Forex. See this, retail plus corporate. Corporate means import export. Okay. Retail means local person sending the dollars, getting the dollars, NRI sending the funds. That is all the retail. AD Cat 2 deal in only retail. They don't deal in import export. Okay. AD Cat 3 are special rights given for a limited period. Rights given for a limited period only. Okay, this is always for the limited period. So these cooperative banks and others, what are they? These are FFMCs, full-fledged money changers. Okay. So FFMC means what? What is FFMC? Full-fledged money changer means what? Yeah. What are full-fledged money changers? See, these are below these AD Cat 1, Cat 2, Cat 3. What happens in FFMC is money changer. This person will deal only in currency, cash, dollars, not only dollar, any currency, mainly dollars, then traveler checks, TCs. Okay. So these two will deal under cash and TCs, traveler checks. These banks will not deal in TT, telegraphic transfer. Okay, or these FFMCs will not. There is one more that is called as RMC, restricted money changer. Now these guys, full-fledged money changers, can get the dollars, give the dollars, cash. So these institutions can do it. But RMC can only get the dollars, it can't give. So these are slight changes. More on this in the paid classes also. How to join the paid classes? Okay, more on this later. Okay. So before going now, everyone, the new batches of Adda 24/7 have just started. Join them ASAP. See this elevation batch of CAIIB. Join it ASAP. All the numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything covered. Okay? All of them. Case studies are very tough. In ABM also, BFM also. Join them. Okay? Numericals are there. E-books, mock test, everything is covered. Join it ASAP. You can join the Mahapack also. Increment Mahapack will give you, see these two Mahapacks. Increment Mahapack will give you, number 1, physical question bank, physical formula bank. You'll get it. Plus study planner, plus 15 plus batches per subject, plus triple validity. You buy for 5 months, you get it for 15 months. But for that, never forget the code Y432. Y432. The code will give you maximum discount, and always purchase the classes by downloading the app. There you will get 1% extra discount.